EZCast Beam V3 is the very first LCD projector that supports portrait projection in the world. Let's see what's inside the box. Here are a V3 projector, quick start guide, wireless adapter, 2 holders for portrait mode, a remote control, and a power adapter. EZCast Beam V3 has a portable size, only 23 cm length, 16.5 cm depth, 9 cm tall, and weighs 1.2 kg. It supports both wireless and wired projection. You can easily connect your smartphone to V3 with Wi-Fi or the mobile charging cable. Project the content from your mobile. Simply plug in the EZCast Wi-Fi adapter and it's ready to project wirelessly from all popular OS devices. EZCast Beam V3 not only supports horizontal projection, but its innovative portrait projection also lets you well project upright images and mobile phones content with full screen. Advanced 2D Keystone lets you adjust 4 individual corners of the image, giving you the freedom to watch video from any angle. EZCast Beam V3 can function as a Bluetooth speaker, bringing you wonderful sound wherever you go. Last but not least, it provides more than 30,000 hours LED lamp lifetime, supports 10,600 LED lumens brightness and is the best budget home projector in the market. It's out now. Go and check it on Amazon.